Hi everyone, I'm Mary Beth Brush with eXp Realty, and I'm excited to bring you my newest listing here in one of the hottest neighborhoods of Denver, the Highlands, just north of Sloan's Lake. Welcome home to 5045 West Moncrieff Place here in Denver. Be prepared to be amazed at all the updates my sellers have done, while also keeping in mind the original charm and character of this home. So what are we waiting for? Let's go inside and take a look. Upon walking in, you'll notice this beautiful textured wall in the foyer, original to the home. As you step into the spacious living room, you are flooded with natural light, making this the perfect spot for entertaining your guests. Now, step through your custom distressed wood archway into your gourmet kitchen. This kitchen is a dream with white cabinets featuring Emtek hardware, white quartz countertop from Spain, stainless steel appliances, hidden dishwasher, subway tile backsplash, and thoughtfully placed black and white tile pattern behind the range that flows into the breakfast nook. And what a great spot here for your morning cup of coffee or cozy dinner. This kitchen nook overlooks the picture-perfect backyard and has built-in wraparound benches with storage. Your main floor custom full bathroom is the perfect place for your sanctuary retreat. Check out these custom French doors with beautiful ironwork, clawfoot tub, Carrara marble tile floors and walls, and beautiful custom sink. The main floor comes complete with 2 bedrooms. One that is transformed right now into a closet and dressing room. Now, let's retreat to your finished full basement with bamboo herringbone floor. The basement also features a powder room and this wide open flex space for you to watch the big game, work out, make your home office, or whatever you have in mind. Here you will find 2 more bedrooms with egress windows, a Jack and Jill bathroom featuring a dual vanity and Carrara marble shower. The basement comes complete with the laundry room and plenty of storage space. The backyard is a dream with covered patio, yard area, a gorgeous blooming tree in the spring, and oversized 2-car detached garage with plenty of storage space. Wow, what a truly amazing home. You can tell the sellers really put their heart and soul into crafting this house into a one-of-a-kind home. And fun fact, story has it that Grace Kelly actually lived in this house when she was getting started in her theater career over just a few blocks away at Elitch Theater. So now is the time for you to make this house your home. Give me a call today, Mary Beth Brush with eXp Realty at 720-878-6236.